Now look, black paint is not special, okay? It does not have the ability to attract more scratches or more dust or more water spots. It just makes it easier to see. The products we're gonna talk about today work on any color paint, but they are especially important for cars with black paint. Now, first things first, what you wanna do with a car with black paint is perfect it, okay? That's removing water spots, that's removing scratches, oxidation, and the only way to do that is by polishing. So the first thing we're gonna talk about is paint correction. Now, to preserve that perfection you created by polishing, you wanna put a layer of protection that is robust and is going to last longer. Not only last longer, but be more resistant to scratching and water spots. Now, after that, we will talk about a tool that essentially you can dry your car without even touching it, which in turn prevents you from getting scratches on your finish. Now, another thing we're gonna talk about is preventing water spots. And there's a very specific tool that we offer that helps prevent getting water spots. Now, lastly, we're gonna talk about the most important tool that every at-home detailer needs. And it is a tool that's going to help you prevent getting scratches in your finish. Shine at its core is just the perfect reflection off of a surface. Now, how do we get a perfect reflection? Well, you need to have a perfectly smooth surface. Now, traditionally, in old days of car care, you would use wax. You would use wax to fill in scratches or imperfections. Now, the problem with wax is it just doesn't last very long, okay? So as car care has progressed, we got into machine polishing. Now we're actually removing microscopic layers of clear coat or paint to get to the bottom of the scratch. Now we created a perfectly flat surface rather than masking it, and now you get the perfect reflection. Now the system that Adams Polishes offers is very simple. It's a two-step system. You start with compound and you have to pick your pad. So you either pick the microfiber pad or the blue foam pad. Microfiber pad being most aggressive, the foam pad being just a little bit less aggressive, but still utilizing the compound. Now they're color coded, so blue compound with the blue pad or the blue and white microfiber pad. The compound is removing the majority of the damage, but because it is a little bit more aggressive, it leaves a little bit of haze, which is some tiny marks left behind from the abrasive. Now, the white polish paired with the white foam pad then removes that haze. So now that you got your car perfect, how do we maintain that perfection for as long as possible? Now, the number one way to do that is by adding a ceramic coating to your car. More specifically, a graphene ceramic coating. Now, my favorite and Adam's favorite is the graphene ceramic spray coating advanced. 2 years of protection in a spray form. It's harder than a clear coat. So it's harder to scratch it just by rubbing it first and foremost, okay? Secondly, the hydrophobics, meaning the water beads up. Even with just blasting it off with a pressure washer, your car is more clean than if it's not protected with the graphene ceramic coating. Now, another characteristic of why it's so great is the longevity. If you use something like the small bottle, the 60 ml bottle of the advanced graphene ceramic coating, you're talking about 10 years possibly, okay? When you get into the advanced ceramic spray coating, which again, one of my favorite products, you're in 2 years of ceramic protection. You polish your car, you put the graphene ceramic on it, so the water's gonna bead up, it's gonna fall off really easy. Using a forced air unit like Adams Polish's air cannon, you can actually blow that water off your car. Now, touching is scratching. So any way you can dry your car without touching it, less scratching. Not only can you dry without touching it, but you can also blast out all the water in the nooks and crannies of your car. Why don't I just use my leaf blower? Well, there's major differences between a leaf blower and an air cannon. Now, number one, the focus opening at the end of the air cannon nozzle generates more focus pressure, allowing you to blow more water out of the nooks and crannies of your car. A leaf blower has a wider opening, putting out more volume, but less pressure, so you can't get the water out of the nooks and crannies. Now, secondly, leaf blowers are big and clunky, okay? If I'm not paying attention, I run the risk of banging it into my car. The air cannon has the hose. It's much easier to manage and also get into places, into more confined areas, making it more effective. The air cannon has filtered air, so every time you use it, you do not have dust and dirt blasting against your car. And if your car is wet, it's just gonna make it dirty again. Now, lastly, the product that you need if you own a car with black paint is a pressure washer, and more specifically, a pressure washer with a deionizer. Now with more pressure, it's gonna get more dirt off of your car. So when you do touch it, when you're washing or whatever it is, you're not gonna be rubbing the dirt and grime into your paint, causing scratching. Something that shows up a lot of the time is water spots. Now, a way to avoid that is to use a deionizer or filtered water. The combination of pressure washer and deionizer is the best way and the best combo of tools to have not only a safe wash, but a spot-free rinse, reducing the chance of seeing things like water spots or scratches show up on your paint. Now, these products work on all different colors of paint, but they're especially important for somebody that owns a car with black paint. Okay, they're gonna help perfect the paint better, they're going to help protect that perfection, and then they're gonna maintain that perfection for longer. Now head over to adamspolishes.com, check out all these products we talked about, but also explore the big catalog of detailing products that Adams Polishes offers. Thank you for watching, and we hope that you find your maximum shine.